Hey everybody, Coach Clint here. The Ripstick was originally called the toy, and it was created by General Marvin Gatlin, and now it's being marketed very successfully by a man named Shuaib Islaam, marketing genius. Great device. If you want to buy his original device, I'll leave a link in the description so you can order his device. Me, I decided to make my own for 10 bucks, and if you wait to the end of the video, I'll put a thumbnail up there. You can click on the thumbnail, it'll take you to a video, and I'll show you how to make your own Ripstick for 10 bucks. So what I'm going to do right now though is I'm going to show you a back workout that I'm going to do with my own homemade $10 Ripstick. So these simulate 2 cable exercises, and we're going to start out with simulated cable row. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold our Ripstick, instead of at length, we're going to hold it at chest high. We're going to bend slightly over, and we're going to pull it in and out. These are called clips. That's what Mr. Islam calls them, so we'll call them clips. And we're going to do 10 clips. So ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to hold it up to our chest for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Holding it apart. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 10 seconds. This is pretty tight. I just put new camping rubber bands on here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 8 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to hold it for open for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now 6 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're holding one open and rolling for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to hold it open for 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we're going to relax for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it open, row for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 clips. 1, 2. Row for 2. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2, and relax, and we're going to take a 30-second break. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to start with 1 rep and go up to 9 by 2. So here we go. We're going to clip it open for 1 row, hold for 1, rest for a second. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 3. 3, 2, 1. Rest for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it open for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it open, row for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it open for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Row for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold it open for 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Looking for a great pre-workout? Or maybe you just need more energy to clean your house, cut your lawn, and keep up with the kids. Get Saba Ace with Chromanex 3 Plus, an ingredient with outstanding results in clinical trials. For energy, focus, and fat burning, Saba Ace. Link in the description. All right, the second and last exercise we're going to do is a cable pull down. This is going to be a simulation of a cable pull down. You're going to do it with your do-it-yourself Ripstick. And so you're going to stand with the device 30-degree angle above your head, and you're going to start open with 10 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10 rows up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to hold open for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to rest for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you guessed it, 8 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to hold open for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold open for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pull downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Hold open for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2, 2 rows. 1, 2. Hold open for 2. 1, 2. And then you're done. For the sake of time, I'm going to cut it off here, but you rest for 30 seconds and then go from 1 up to 9 by 2s. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this thumbnail right here, and it'll take you to a video to teach you how to make one of these do-it-yourself Ripsticks for 10 bucks. That's it. That's all. See you next time.